Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jeba's. Perfect is the best word to describe this dessert dish. Well, I had great fun and pleasure making this delicious Italian dessert panna cotta. I may sound a little obsessed, but this dish is so incredibly delicious. If you have all the ingredients ready, it'll only take 10 minutes to bring this dish together. To begin with, sprinkle 2 1/4 teaspoon of gelatin powder in half a cup of water. Do not dump the gelatin all at once, otherwise the gelatin will not hydrate and bloom evenly, and our panna cotta will not be perfect. Do not stir or disturb the gelatin water. Leave it aside for 10 minutes. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Meanwhile, take 1 1/2 cups of full cream milk in a saucepan and also add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now bring it to a boil on a medium flame until you see bubbles forming on the edges of the pan. You know, panna cotta literally means cooked cream in Italian. Add a pinch of salt. Now boil the milk on a low flame. Add 1/3 cup of sugar. The advantage is you can make this dish in advance, and so it is perfect for entertaining. Now add 1 1/2 cups of whipping cream. The hydrated and bloomed gelatin. You know, panna cotta looks and tastes fancy, but is so quick and easy to make. Keep stirring the mixture until you find the gelatin combine well with the milk. And what I like about the dish is it is creamy jello or pudding-like dessert. Now add half a teaspoon of lemon rinds and keep stirring the mixture until the gelatin melts in the hot milk. You can see it's done now. Have it on the flame for another 2 minutes. Keep stirring until the flavors from the lemon and vanilla infuse into the milk. The flavor of lemon zest and the vanilla is filling my kitchen. It's nice and done. Let's remove from the flame. Cool it for 20 to 30 minutes or until it reaches the room temperature. Strain the mixture through a sieve. And what I really love about this dessert is that it needs to be made in advance and the perfect do-ahead dessert. You can make them up to 2 days ahead and keep them well covered and chilled. Now I've completely strained the milk. Pour it into the serving glasses or cups. Do not fret if you don't have custard cups or molds. You can make in coffee cups by oiling them lightly before pouring in the panna cotta mixture, and they'll turn out beautiful. Now refrigerate this cream to a minimum of 8 hours to 24 hours. Now I'll prepare the strawberry sauce. So take a cup of strawberries cut into halves in a saucepan. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Boil these berries on a high flame for 5 minutes or until the berries are cooked. Keep stirring occasionally as we do not want the berries to be burnt. You know, this strawberry reduction intensifies the strawberry flavor and creates a decadent syrup that is bursting with flavors. The bright red color is so appetizing. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Now the berries are cooked. Let's check. See? This is the month of strawberry, and so I've picked strawberries. You can prefer any seasonal fruits of your choice. You can also add fresh fruits if you want. Now add another cup of strawberries that's roughly chopped and cook on a high flame for another 2 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. The aroma from the sweetness of these berries had already started filling my kitchen, and it's elevating my mood. Excitement is filling my home. Wow, look at this. Now it's done. Let's remove it from the flame and cool it to room temperature. Also refrigerate until serving time. Let's get ready for serving. You can even try this panna cotta with coconut milk or oat milk or even any nuts milk. The goal with panna cotta is to calibrate the amount of gelatin to the dairy and its fat so that you achieve a firm, set and yet delicate and wobbly texture. I don't know if my camera is capturing this wobble. Scoop 3 to 4 teaspoons of this strawberry sauce and top it on the panna cotta before serving. Wow, how delicious it looks. OMG. Oops, be careful not to spill. Please try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified of my new videos every time I post. You can also pair it with fresh fruits or a compote of baked fruits or even just a spoonful of homemade jam. It makes a perfect party dish. I'm gonna enjoy this strawberry panna cotta and hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week, and until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye bye.